Hello everyone, I am Engineer Roderick Parino, currently working as an estimation and structural designer in a structural steel manufacturing company here in Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang dalawang uri ng steel structures classified based on the type of structural steel system used in building construction. At ito ay ang conventional steel buildings and pre-engineered buildings. So, ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng dalawang system na ito? Let's begin with the conventional steel building. I'm sure marami sa inyo ang familiar na dito kasi ito talaga yung madalas nating nakikita sa mga construction sites, lalo na sa mga commercial buildings, institutional structures, high-rise buildings, at maging sa mga transmission line towers. In this type of steel structure, we use hot-rolled steel sections as our main framing system. Usually, ang mga ginagamit natin dito ay mga standardized I-beams, like wide flange beams if we are talking about the American sections, at IPE, H-beams, or universal beams naman if we are referring to European sections. Aside from that, gumagamit din tayo ng tubular sections and angles, and actually, yung mga nabanggit ko ay ilan lamang sa mga structural steel materials na ginagamit under hot-rolled steel sections, at kung iisa-isahin ko ay masyadong marami. Now let's move on to the pre-engineered buildings. Maybe marami pa sa inyo ang hindi pa masyadong familiar sa ganitong building system. Kasi ako noon, hindi ko rin ito na-encounter, or at least wala akong matandaan na naituro ito sa amin during our steel design subjects. So ano nga ba ang pre-engineered building, or simply PEB? Ito ang type of building system na kadalasang ginagamit sa mga industrial buildings, lalo na sa mga warehouses, factories, and aircraft hangars at iba pang low-rise structures. In this kind of system, gumagamit tayo ng built-up sections, usually tapered eye sections, and also box sections pero bihira lang, as our main framing system. Pero ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng built-up sections? Unlike sa hot-rolled sections kung saan inuhol ba ang steel through hot rolling, at iba naman ang approach sa built-up sections. Although ang raw material ng built-up sections ay hot-rolled plates, ang pinaka-process para mabuo ang isang built-up eye section ay ganito. Mula sa coil ng hot-rolled plates, kinakat ang plate sa desired sizes. Tapos i-weld para mabuo ang isang eye section. Kumbaga ang flanges and webs ng isang I-beam ay nabubuo sa pamamagitan ng welding ng individual plates. Pero ano nga ba ang pros and cons ng conventional approach at pre-engineered building? Well, technically speaking, these two types are used in specific situations. If we are to talk about the conventional system, madalas or it is a better choice for structures with high complexity in terms of architecture and loading demands. Kadalasang ina-apply ang ganitong system sa mga commercial structures like malls, airports, high-rise buildings, and the special type of industrial facilities like power plants and oil and gas facilities. But the cons of using the conventional approach is that the material cost is higher and the overall weight of the structure is also greater. Kasi ang hot-rolled sections ay commercialized, meron tayong established profile sizes na ginagamit as the basis for material selection during the design process. At dahil dito, hindi ganun ka-optimized ang ating structure sa ganung system, lalo na kung ang design ng structure ay napaka-komplikado tulad ng paggamit ng mga truss systems o iba pang complex structural configurations. Ang PEB naman, usually kilala din natin as metal building, we can really harness its benefits sa buildings kung saan hindi priority ang architectural design. Usually it's a better choice for industrial facilities like warehouses and factories. Dahil gumagamit tayo ng built-up sections which is prefabricated from the factory, mas nagkakaroon tayo ng opportunity to optimize the structural members specific to the design loads. In fact, if we are to compare the same building, one made from hot-rolled sections and one made from built-up sections, the PEB version is usually 30 to 50% lighter. Kaya mataas ang demand ng PEB sa industrial sector kasi ang mga industrial facilities na katulad ng nabanggit ay simple lang ang structural configuration, usually portal frame systems lamang. But the cons of PEB are that it is not ideal for complex structures. Although possible, Fabrication of built-up sections for complicated layouts is very time-consuming, and since the members are highly optimized, they can only safely carry the design loads considered during the design process. So let's wrap it up. Conventional buildings are go-to option for complex steel structures, but the material cost is higher and the overall weight is greater. Sa PEB naman, mas magaan ito kumpara sa paggamit ng hot-rolled sections at cheaper ang raw material cost. This makes it ideal for low-rise buildings, particularly in industrial applications. Ang downside nga lang, dahil fully optimized siya, we can't just accommodate extra loads beyond the safety margin na consider natin during the design process. But the main conclusion is that the decision of using the two options depends on the client requirements and the specific conditions.